Today I have an exciting news for everyone. We are going to launch a giveaway program on the Awesome Data YouTube channel where we will have one giveaway every month, and the people who meet the criteria will be selected for a lucky draw. Whoever wins the lucky draw will be given the giveaway prize. The giveaway will include cash prizes, coupon codes, free paid courses, internships and much more. If you want to participate in this month's giveaway program, you need to be a subscriber of the Awesome Data YouTube channel. You need to be a participant of our LinkedIn and WhatsApp communities. You must like next week's video and leave your comment there so we can select your name for the lucky draw. We will upload a new roadmap video next week, and whoever wants to participate in this lucky draw must comment there and like that video. We will have the lucky draw live on our channel next week, and whoever wins the prize, we will give 500 USD cash as the giveaway in this month. If you want to participate in this month's giveaway program, you must meet all the criteria and then we will select you for the lucky draw. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.